2.6 billion people are now connected to 5G. That's 1 out of every 3 people on the planet using the fastest wireless networks humanity has ever built. But this is just the beginning. By 2030, that number could skyrocket to nearly 9 billion connections, powering everything from your phone to your car to entire smart cities. So what does that mean for us? Today we're breaking down the numbers, the trends, and the future of 5G. And trust me, the next phase, called 5G Advanced, will blow your mind. As of mid-2025, global 5G connections hit 2.6 billion, a 37% jump in just 1 year. Analysts say it's on track to reach 9 billion by 2030, covering 60% of all wireless subscriptions worldwide. North America is leading the way, 339 million connections covering nearly 90% of its population. And data usage? Absolutely off the charts. The average North American 5G user consumes 111 gigabytes per month. That's almost double what people use in Asia-Pacific regions. Imagine streaming Netflix, gaming on the cloud, and running your smart home all at once. That's what's happening. In Q2 of 2025 alone, global mobile data consumption hit 384 million terabytes. That's a 15% jump year over year, driven mostly by video streaming, online gaming, and increasingly, industrial digitalization. Think about it, our phones aren't just phones anymore. They're 4K video studios, AI assistants, and gaming consoles in your pocket. But beyond personal use, industries are going crazy for 5G. Factories, hospitals, power grids, and logistics hubs are now building their operations on these lightning-fast connections. Here's where it gets futuristic. Right now, there are 3.8 billion IoT devices connected globally, everything from smart thermostats to industrial robots. By 2030, that number will climb to 5 billion. In manufacturing, machines talk to each other in real time. In healthcare, remote surgeries are becoming possible. In logistics, entire fleets of trucks are optimized by instant data feedback. And 5G isn't just the foundation for this Internet of Things. It's the backbone of the entire digital transformation of our economy. Now here's the part most people don't know. Regular 5G is already evolving. The next phase is called 5G Advanced, built on 3 GPP releases 18 through 20. What does that mean? AI native networks, where artificial intelligence literally helps run the internet itself. Massive energy efficiency, greener networks that consume less power. Extended reality XR, powering AR glasses, VR headsets, and metaverse experiences in real time. Industrial IoT, think entire oil rigs, factories, or smart cities fully automated and remotely controlled. And all of this? It's the bridge to 6G, which experts expect to roll out by the early 2030s. As of September 2025, there are 373 live 5G networks worldwide, plus 708 LTE deployments. Countries are racing not just for coverage, but for dominance in the digital economy. Whoever leads in 5G and eventually 6G will lead in AI, robotics, defense, and global trade. It's not just about faster TikToks, it's about geopolitical power. China, the US, South Korea, and Europe are all pouring billions into this race. So how does this affect your daily life? Here's a quick glimpse. Seamless AR experiences in gaming, shopping, and work. Smart homes that anticipate your needs before you do. Cars that communicate with each other to prevent accidents. And soon, glasses or implants that give you an always connected digital overlay on the real world. 5G is the invisible infrastructure that will make these things normal. We're standing at the edge of a digital revolution. With 2.6 billion connections already live and nearly 9 billion coming by 2030, 5G is more than just speed. It's the nervous system of a new, connected world. The question is, who will control it, and how will we use it? So tell us, what's the first thing you'd want to see powered by 5G Advanced? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the technology shaping your future.